Hi, I'm John Zombro, physical therapist and coach of the Lifetime Athletes Training Tribe. That's our online group training and coaching platform. And we train year round using an annual training plan, which divides the year into 5 2 to 3 month blocks, which emphasize each of the 5 specific components of athleticism. And that is strength, speed, power, agility, and endurance. This fall, we've been working on endurance, September and October, and now in November, we're finishing up the endurance block, doing some blended training and taking a bit of a casual but very fun approach to the workouts that we are going to be undertaking. What I'm going to do this week, which is the first week of November, beginning Monday, the 1st, is share with you an interesting methodology where we utilize the same exercises for our preparatory or warm-up phase, our main or primary, and our accessory, but we rotate the order in which we do those things to get a fantastic training stimulus. Now, if you like this kind of talk and you're a member of the tribe, get ready because we're going to go through it. If you're not yet a member of the tribe and you're interested, just check out Training Tribe, the menu item at thelifetimeathlete.com, and stay tuned for a bunch, literally a bunch of exciting new programs and features that are going to be added to the tribe content as well as the website at thelifetimeathlete.com. So thanks for joining me, and let's jump right into this week's programming. Okay, the first workout that we're going to talk about is the aerobic session, and all you're going to do is 30 minutes at what you consider to be a moderate intensity in any mode that you prefer. Next up is the resistance exercise component. We're going to be doing the 1x20 method, which is one set of 20 of each of the movements using a relatively light resistance. Try to pace yourself and get a good squeeze with every rep of every movement as you progress through. Now, the first exercise that you're going to do is a kettlebell step and press, and you can also use a dumbbell or any other object that you have available. Next up is the incline elastic row, and you can use your bench or a pillow over a chair and rig up 1 or 2 bands or tubes to work on your rowing motion. Then you've got the loaded walking lunge. You can load it with a sandbag or a backpack, barbell, dumbbell, kettlebell, buckets, or in this case, like Viper is doing, use some chains bandolero style. So cool, so awesome. Then we move into the rack pull deadlift. You can use any object or tool that you have available, and you can lift off blocks if you don't have a rack and pins. So great exercise, full body compound movement. From there, we progress to the pin squat. And the same thing, if you don't have your rack available, you can do a box squat sitting onto a bench box or chair. And again, you can load this with any resistance that you have. The goal here is that you're not going to full depth at this time in our training. Finally, finish off with the bench press, which needs no explanation, and you can lift your barbell dumbbells if you have matching kettlebells or even asymmetric. You can use a small child or a pet. Doesn't matter, you can get her done. Then we progress to the final component of this week's workout, which is mobility training. And we're going to string together 3 exercises done in reps of 2 for about 5 to 10 cycles based on what you feel you can do. So the first movement is the kettlebell swing, and again, you can use anything. If you have a dumbbell or a gym bag, that will work. You do 2 of those, and then you go into 2 box jumps. If you don't have any boxes available that are safe, you can just do 2 small broad jumps, drop into a push-up and bang out 2 reps using any style that you prefer. Now what you can see here is how we organize those for workouts A, B, and C. The movements are all the same, but they just switch around in which one is prep, primary, or accessory. And this is going to give you a great training stimulus, the ability to master the movements, and also have a lot of fun. So that's it for this week, guys. This is Coach JZ signing off from the Lifetime Athlete and the Training Tribe. You are killing it. I'll see you next week.